Teacher Novi at your service. So before we proceed to our topic, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Sa last video, diniscuss ko ang properties of parallelogram. So kung hindi mo pa iyon napapanood, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box. Kasi ang topic natin ngayon ay kung paano natin i-apply yung mga properties of parallelogram na yon in solving problems. Okay? So ito yung mga sasagutan nating problems. Number 1, if the measure of angle A is equal to 110 degrees, then the measure of angle R is equal to blank. Number 2, if the measure of angle P is equal to 95, then the measure of angle Y is equal to blank. Number 3, if PY is equal to 10.5 centimeters, then the measure of RA is equal to blank. And number 4, if RO is equal to 2.8 centimeters, then OY is equal to blank. Isa-isahin natin yung mga problems. So number 1, if the measure of angle A is equal to 110 degrees, then the measure of angle R is blank. Para lang makita niyo yung figure, tatanggalin ko muna yung diagonals. So, eto na siya. Anong property ang i-apply natin dito? Ito yung property number 3, wherein congruent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Meaning, angle A plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Now, i-substitute lang natin yung given value ni angle A, which is 110 degrees, plus angle R equals to 180. Next, is-transpose natin si 110 sa right side ng equation. So, angle R is equal to 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Therefore, angle R is equal to 70 degrees. Number 2, if the measure of angle P is equal to 95 degrees, then what is the measure of angle Y? Again, tinanggal ko muna yung diagonals niya para makita natin yung figure. So, ang i-apply ulit natin na property dito is yung property number 3, wherein consecutive angles are supplementary. Angle P plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. And then, isubstitute natin ulit yung given value ni angle P, which is 95 degrees, plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Then, transpose natin yung 95 sa right side ng equation. So, angle Y is equal to 180 minus 95. So, 180 minus 95 is equal to 85. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 85 degrees. Number 3, if PY is equal to 10.5 centimeters, then the measure of RA is equal to blank. Ayan. So, since side naman ang pinag-uusapan dito, i-apply natin yung property number 1. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So, PY is congruent to RA. Kaya kung si side PY is 10.5 centimeters, then si side RA is also 10.5 centimeters. For the last problem, if RO is equal to 2.8 centimeters, then OY is equal to blank. Dito na natin i-apply yung diagonal property of a parallelogram, wherein the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, sa figure na to, PA bisects RY, and then O ang kanilang midpoint. Therefore, if PA bisects RY, then RO is congruent to OY. Or, yung measure ni RO, line RO, ay equal sa measure ni line OY. So, if RO is 2.8 centimeters, then OY will also be 2.8 centimeters since they are congruent. Ito na yung mga final answers natin sa problem na to. So, I hope nakatulong ako kahit papano, especially sa mga grade 9 students dyan na ongoing ang kanilang modular class. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, feel free na mag-comment sa baba at sasagutin ko sa abot ng aking makakaya. Thank you and keep safe everyone.